Today on 16 July, TTAADC ARC member CK Jamatia through a press meet addressed the budget proposed for TTAADC financial year of 2025-26 to the people in view to be precise and transparent. He stated that TTAADC has made a budgetary provision of rupees 1,840.75 crores, but the state government has approved only rupees 860.2825 crores. Out of the approved budget, the TTAADC has received only rupees 307.0884 crores as of 15 July 2025.
আমরা এখন পর্যন্ত 2025-26 অর্থবর্ষে TTAADC কে এখন পর্যন্ত 860 কোটি 28 লক্ষ টাকা আমরা দিয়েছি।
As of now, the government of Tripura has approved in budget estimated of an amount of rupees 860 crores 28 lakh only in favor of TTAADC 2025-26 financial year. Similarly, in the budget financial year of 2024-25, the state government has approved 169 crore 82 lakh rupees, which was more than sufficient. This was said by the State Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha while addressing the 30 Avajan Bhagidari campaign organized in Govinda Chomani under Jirania subdivision Belvari block on the last Monday. However, the people of the state raised an allegation towards Tripura and ADC government for not providing pensionary benefits to retired employees of TTAADC despite of the budget approval from the state government. Now let us hear what the State Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha said.
আমরা এখন পর্যন্ত 2025-26 অর্থবর্ষে TTAADC কে এখন পর্যন্ত 860 কোটি 28 লক্ষ টাকা আমরা দিয়েছি। শুধু তাই নয়, 2024-25 অর্থবছরে আমরা তা ছাড়াও প্রায় 169 কোটি 82 লক্ষ টাকা এক্সট্রা আরও দেওয়া হয়েছে। বন্ধুগণ, আমরা ট্রাইবাল সাব প্ল্যানের মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন যে আমাদের ডিপার্টমেন্ট আছে তারও বিভিন্নভাবে কাজ করছেন এখানে।
Regarding this matter, ADC CM Dr Jamatia has called for a press meet on Tuesday afternoon at around 2 p.m. However, the ADC ICA department has postponed the press meet to be held by evening due to some inconvenience. But ADC CM Dr Jamatia has failed to conduct a press meet even after evening. Meanwhile, TTAADC ARC member CK Jamatia held a press meet on Wednesday afternoon and stated the TTAADC has made a budgetary provision in financial year 2025-26 of rupees 1,840.75 crores, but the state government has approved in budget estimated of an amount of rupees 860.2825 crores. The TTAADC has received only rupees 307.0884 crores as of 15 July 2025, whereas rupees 430.14125 crores is due to be received after second quarter of the current financial year. Hence, there is a shortage of rupees 123.05285 crore received.
Mane Chini je Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council tongmani amos mai tangjak যে ADC এলাকানো ডেভেলপমেন্ট খাইনানি ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার এবং ADC এলাকাও যে বরক দংনাই যে দফা দংনাই বরংনি ওভারঅল ডেভেলপমেন্ট খাইনানি বাঙ্গৈ ADC প্রশাসন সমাই তাংজাক এবং বরং ADC এলাকানি বিসিङ ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার ডেভেলপমেন্ট তে আর নিও যে বরক দংনাই রাও বরংনি যে নাংমানি ন ওয়ান্স হবই ADC in the financial year 2025-26 of budget তৈরি খাইজা budget খাইজাখা 1840 crore 0.75 lakh ni budget খাইজাখা for the financial year 2025-26 আরো বিসিङ তাবক পর্যন্ত স্টেট ni taraf theke jeng makha jeng na state government ar bishingo state government approval rakha 860 crore 28 lakh 25,000 mane jeng ADC ni taraf theke budget toiri khlaiji pass khair hojaka 1840 koti 75 lakh ar bishingo state government approval rakha 860 কোটি 28 লক্ষ 25 হাজার আরো বিসিङ তাবক পর্যন্ত that is up to 15 July 2025 जों रां माखा माने approved budget हंका 860 कोटी 28 लक्ष 25 हजार आरो बिसिङाव ताबक पर्यन्त जों रां माखा 307 कोटी 88 हजार 400. That means I would like to clarify here by saying that out of approved budget of rupees 860.2825 crores, 860 crore 28 lakh 25,000, we have received only 307 crores 88,400 till 15th July 2025. Whereas rupees 430 crore 14 lakh 12,500 is due to be received up to second quarter of the current financial year. Hence, there is a shortage of rupees 123 crores 5 lakh 28,500. So there is a shortage. Mane जों second quarter पर्यंत ताबक पर्यंत मानानि कप्टमनि 430 कोटी आरो बिसिङाव जों मात्र 307 कोटीसो जों रां मानो.
State government claims the government of Tripura has approved and sent the TTAADC budget more than sufficient. On the other hand, ADC government alleges state government for not approving the ADC budget. Now the question is, who is truth and lie? The people of the state wants to know. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.